So in this video children, let us see how to represent root x on the number line. Root x on the number line. Root x where this x is a positive real number. Where x is a positive real number. So how to draw or how to represent it on the number line, let us see. So first of all, you draw the number line. You draw the number line. So we have drawn it here. Now suppose this point is A. Now taking x, suppose we have to represent root x. This x is a positive real number. So x may be suppose 3, or we can take 3.7, or we may take it as 9.3 or 9.9, positive real number, or it may be suppose 11, like that we can take. So I am taking x, that means it can be any positive real number. So the first step is taking A as center, you cut an arc of length x unit length. So let us cut an arc of x unit length and let the point be B. Then after that, from B you cut an arc of 1 unit length. So A to B is x unit length and B to C is 1 unit length. Or we can say now this total AC is equal to x plus 1 unit length. After that, you find the midpoint of AC. Midpoint of AC. To find the midpoint of AC, we have to draw a perpendicular bisector of AC. Suppose the O is the midpoint of AC. So we can say now OA is equal to OC. So by taking O as center and radius OA or OC, let us draw a semicircle. So our third step is over. So what we did, first AB x unit length we have taken, then B to C, A to B x unit length, B to C 1 unit length we have taken. Altogether AC is of x plus 1 unit length. The next step is we have drawn a perpendicular bisector to AC to find the midpoint. Next step, at point B, again you construct 90 degree with your rounder. Suppose this perpendicular intersect the semicircle RD. Now BD, it is of root x unit length, but our aim is to show this length on the number line. So how to represent this length BD on the number line? For that, let us do one thing. Let us taking B as center, let us take B as center and radius BD. By taking B as center and radius BD, let us cut an arc like this which intersect this number line, suppose at point E. Now this BE is of root over of x unit length, or we can say if B is the starting point, then with respect to B as the starting point, this E represent root over of x, or the length BE is of root over of x unit length. But now let us come for our justification part. How can we know whether BD it is of root over of x unit length, or any means what is the length? Let us try to see. So let us see that, let us justify that. For that we need to join this O to D. Now OBD is a right triangle. Why? Because angle B 90 we have only constructed. So now you see here in this right triangle BD is equal to OD square minus OB square and root over of that. But what is your BD? Let us see. Now BD, this OD is of how much length? OD is equal to, I am writing here, OD is equal to same as OA or OC. Why? OD, OA and OC, they are the radius of the same semicircle. So we can say OD equal to OA, or that is equal to x plus 1 by 2. Now come for the length of OB. What is the length of OB? You see the figure here, OB equal to OC minus BC. OC minus BC. So OB equal to OC minus BC. But what is OC? OC is equal to x plus 1 by 2. BC equal to 1. So what we are going to get now? The LCM is 2. X plus 1 minus 2, that is x minus 1 by 2. So your OB is equal to x minus 1 by 2. OD equal to x plus 1 by 2. OB equal to x minus 1 by 2. Now let us put here. So that is equal to x plus 1 by 2 whole square minus x minus 1 by 2 whole square, root over of that. Now let this numerator is x plus 1 whole square by 4 minus x minus whole square by 4, then root over of that, that is equal to LCM is 4. Now a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square. So this is x square plus a square plus b square plus 2ab minus a square, and after opening the bracket it will be minus 1. We are going to subtract. Then 2ab will be plus 2x and root over of that. Now x square cancel out, plus minus 1 minus 1 cancel out, 2x plus 2x, that is 4x by 4, or root over of that, 4 cancel out. Finally your BD equal to root over of x, and BD is equal to BE equal to root over of x. Why? Because BD and BE, they are the radii of the same circle, same arc, under the same arc. BD and BE, we can say they are the radii of the same semicircle. That is an arc, we can say, not semicircle. So that is why BD equal to BE. They are the radii under the same arc, we can say. Okay, so this is the way we can represent root x on the number line.